Set up the plant, Lesson 7, Connecting the Water. This lesson will guide you in how to connect water to the plant and to ensure that the filter and the valve are cleaned and ready for use. Before connecting the water hose, make sure the high pressure hose is connected to the high pressure cleaner. Connect a 25mm hose to the inlet water connection. Water will fill the plant's water tank ready for use. Make sure the water pressure is at least 2 to 6 bar with a capacity of 60 to 100 litres per minute. Protect the water hose and all cables by burying them or by placing protective covers over them. Electric water valve. The plant is supplied with an electric valve and a flow switch inside the tank. The tank cannot be filled until the plant has power. Never remove the magnetic coil from the valve. Doing so will overheat the valve within minutes and cause it to fail. How to clean the valve. To clean the valve, switch off the power and activate the emergency stop button. Shut off the water supply and empty the tank using a drain tap. If there is a frost risk, the tank should always be emptied through the drain tap. Loosen the 4 small screws in the stainless pipe running through the coil. Take care when removing the clips. There is a spring and a washer which cannot be lost. Make sure the piston moves freely inside the stainless pipe. If the piston does not move freely, impurities in the large valve may be the cause of the problem. Loosen the 4 large screws and remove the rubber washer. Remove all impurities. How to clean the sound filter. The sound filter must be cleaned frequently to remove impurities. Unscrew the nut, remove the filter and clean it. Take care not to damage the filter when refitting it. Frequency of cleaning depends largely on the quality of the water. If you have any problems, please make contact with us, and thank you for listening.